Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go through how I record a PuppyLinux video and upload to YouTube. So this, although it's shown on JMePup64, I'll have a link to where you can download this ISO. It should work in any PuppyLinux system. So basically, right now I'm using my cellular phone, which is a Pixel 4. Obviously, with this video and microphone that's being used, that's built in. So after, otherwise, you will need likely some sort of a headset. This is a headset, same headset that I'll be using, and it's selling it for $13 in eBay. So the price of the basic setup is very modest. And as far as the software you will need, so that's the hardware that you will need, is cellular phone if you're gonna record outside of the screen, and also simple screen recorder if you just want to record what's on the screen, and you'll have to install that, although most of the PuppyLinux already comes with installed, but in JMePup that I'm using, I had to install it through the Puppy package manager. So, and then you will also have to download the shotcut.AppImage, which is the one I use. And then hopefully later on we'll go through how to upload to the YouTube, and then also make a thumbnail for later. So that's the plan. And next I will go through how to download this video into the computer itself from my Pixel cellular phone. So I'll be using GFTP, which is already installed in most of the PuppyLinux, and this is a FTP files downloader. So I'll show that next, but that's the plan. Now I've already set up a simple screen recorder and my headset sound already, so I can record the next step, which is downloading video that's in my cellular phone, the Pixel, to the computer. So I need the GFTP launched, so I have a key to Super and P. And before I do that, so I have to go ahead and get start in Pixel and start Wi-Fi FTP server app. I have a separate video on how to set up GFTP, so you can go ahead and download photos and videos from cellular phone, and I'll put that in the description. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and start the Wi-Fi FTP server app in my Pixel, and I'll go ahead and start. And then next I'll go ahead and launch the GFTP by Super and P key, and then I have it bookmark under P4, that's Pixel 4, and then it knows this is the file, MP4 file that I just recorded. So I'll have to put that in my root, my pictures P4 folder. So we'll just go ahead and click that arrow so I can go ahead and move it over. And then I want to click this, and I want to delete the one in the phone. So I'll go ahead and delete. Yes, I do want to delete. Download. I have it downloaded to root my pictures P4 folder, and I need to put that into my video folder. So video folder is here, And this is the test file to make sure that audio and video works. But in essence, what I would want to do is just move this over into this video folder. So, and then I'll just go ahead and change its name. So that's, and then I'll need this. So when I edit the video later with a program called Shotcut. So we'll go through that later. But so I'm saving all the video and photo information for this YouTube upload right here in this folder. Next, I want to show you how I set up simple screen recording so I can record whatever is on the screen. So first thing I do is I connect the headset into my USB. So I put it in now, and then you have to make sure that sound is all set up through the headset. So first thing I usually do is I go ahead and start the terminal and Alpha Mixer. Start that, and then F6 to select the other sound card. And then my headset is C Media, so I have to go ahead and make sure that's on. And then this is for right now, we also need to set up the microphone. So F5, and then you can tell with the arrow you can go back and forth on the bottom here. So PCM is highest is fine. Mic, I usually have it around 87, which seems to work. So after setting up Alpha Mixer, the next thing you have to make sure is that this also preference is all pretty much set. So we can go ahead and put that into another screen so we can see it fully. And then configuration, I've turned everything off except for C Media USB, which is the headset, so that's on. So everything is all set up as far as recording sound properly. So next is you have to start the simple screen recorder. So the first one is, and then we don't need this screen anymore. So this is the first screen that you will get when you start the simple screen recorder, and then we'll skip this page, and next time we don't need to see this. And then I usually just put in a profile of chmod. So because next time with the next video that I make, it will be all profile will be all set up. So I leave everything pretty much the same. You have to make sure that C Media is, in my case, is the source, which is correct. And then continue. And then the output profile I use YouTube, which would be on a drop down. And then you have to direct where you want the file to be located. So it's, for me, it's on an external drive. So computer, MNT, and then SDA5, and then folder with all my video is on the V folder. And then we'll put in the file name that I'm making is YouTube part 1, and then MKV extension is fine. And so that's all set up. And then next, continue. And then I start recording just to make doubly sure that make sure that the recording works as a trial. So you can hide the window. And right now I have, by mistake, I started two simple screen recorder, but basically that's the step that's necessary to start recording. So when you Now, want to really start recording, then what you have to do is right click and then click on the start recording and do whatever you need to do. So now we'll get into the photo editing software Shotcut. I'll have a link to where you can download this AppImage file, but I put it in OPT folder. So, and then here's the shotcut.AppImage, and so AppImage is very easy to use in a sense that as long as this is a executable, so you can check if it's executable by starting the LSL, and then see if it has the chx. So if it's not, all you have to do is chmod plus x, and then name of the image, but it's already executable. And then what you do is just click on it, then it'll start the shotcut image. So then you'll get a screen very similar to this, and then my project folder is already set to my external drive under V, which is correct, and project name is the YouTube P1. Just double click on it. So when you do that, then you'll I've already started, so you get this. What you need to do is get into a playlist. Now you need to dump in all the videos and photos and so on that you'll be using to make the final single YouTube video product. So what we want to do is go ahead and, in my case, go ahead and get to the folder that where I have all the other videos. Besides one MP4, I have another one from the camera, the cellular phone, and also these two from the all these from the simple screen recorder. So we'll just go ahead and drag them here. So okay. So we'll go ahead and start again and go to that. So we need to drag all the other videos and put them in. So two barks, and at the end, these are just photos. So. And then here, and then now, for now, we can go ahead and close this. And then what we can do is we can start the video with a couple of barks, which is here. And then we start with this. This was the first one that I took with my cellular phone. So we can go ahead and edit, cut out the parts that you don't need, for example, and then just keep adding the other videos. And then after that's done, what I do is adjust the volume through what's called the filters. And then after all that volume is normalized and so on, then you can go ahead and go to the export, and then that creates a single file that you can upload to the YouTube.